Hi, I'm 25 years old and I have no friends. But before you feel bad for me, let me explain why it's not a sad thing at all. In fact, it's a choice I've made and I'm thriving because of it. Here's the thing. We all have limited time and energy. And for me, I've decided to invest mine in building a life that excites me. Some people love hanging out, partying, or socializing every weekend, and that's great for them. But for me, I'm happiest when I'm focusing on my goals, when exploring my passions, when growing as a person, But over time I realized I don't need a huge circle of friends to feel fulfilled. What I need is alignment. People who share my vision or at least support it. And until those people come into my life, I'm perfectly okay with being my own best company. If you're watching this and you're feeling like you're missing out because you don't have many friends, let me tell you this. You are not alone and there is nothing wrong with you. Like, nothing at all. Society loves to push this idea that we need this big social life to be happy. But happiness, it's personal. It's about what works for you. I've seen many posts on the internet where people say if you want to be successful, if you want to grow, if you want to develop some skills, become a better version of yourself, you will have to cut off all negative people from your life. And honestly, I didn't have a lot of negative people in my life, but I've met individuals that chosen procrastination, lazy way of living, or just comfort zone. And I'm not gonna say I never feel lonely, because that's a lie. I'm a human being just like you. This is me on my birthday a few days ago. So what? It's normal. It's normal to feel lonely sometimes. I'm okay. So yeah, I'm 25, I have no friends, and I love it. My time is mine, my energy is mine, and I'm building a life that feels true to who I am. If that resonates with you or you're feeling the same, let me know in the comments. Let's start a conversation. Because even if I don't have friends, I'd still love to connect with people like you. Thank you for watching, and remember, being different is okay. Being true to yourself is what really matters. See you in the next video.